Welcome to the world of YouTube monetization. Today, we'll guide you through the complete process. First, understand the eligibility requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Next, set up your Google AdSense account. This is crucial for earning revenue from ads. Now, enable monetization in your YouTube settings. Go to Monetization under Channel and click on Enable. Once approved, explore different monetization options like ads, channel memberships, and merchandise. Finally, stay consistent with your content and engage your audience. Growth is an ongoing process. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Keep learning and adapting as trends change. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone brings you closer to your YouTube goals. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Your passion fuels your success. For more tips, subscribe to our channel. Join a community of creators and accelerate your journey. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and start your monetization journey. See you in our next video.